A man divided by duty and desire.
As the sunlight shines through her hair, I stand paralyzed, gasping for air. My heart is yet pounding, skipping beat after beat, awaiting the moment of hearing her speak. I stand and I wonder. I stand and I ponder on this heavenly vision I meet.
A woman who defies tradition.
As the moonlight glows through his hair, I stand immobile, gasping for air. My heart yet pounding, skipping beat after beat, awaiting the moment of hearing him speak. I stand and I wonder. I stand and I ponder as this heavenly vision I meet. I close my eyes tightly as this vision so brightly engulfs me from my head down to my feet. And all in one moment, I know. In one moment, I am in love.
Live on stage, November 8th, 2025. The play, Prudence and Passion, the love story of Solomon and the Queen of Sheba.